What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have a new portable charger, MagSafe wireless charger, and this one is from Hinyx. This one is Hinyx MagFlex MS10, and actually I have two of these. I have a white colored variant and a blue colored variant. Yeah, we will do the unboxing and we will check these products, but before we go through this review video, there are 5 points I want to talk about these products because I'm already in love with these products. Number 1, these are the first foldable MagSafe wireless chargers that I have got. Number 2, this is actually a 20-watt portable MagSafe Qi wireless charger. So that's the highest speed for MagSafe now. And number 3 actually has everything to do with that name, MagSafe Flexible. There is actually an aluminum stand and the chargers along with it can rotate up to 90 degree. The base one and the top one can rotate up to 160 degree. Even if this is a MagSafe wireless charger, this is actually a Qi wireless charger, so you don't have to have an iPhone to use it. But if you have an iPhone and AirPods, definitely you can use all of those together. I'm using these two with my Apple ecosystem and Samsung ecosystem. I have never seen any issues. Well, here in this channel, we just not only talk, we also do the real testing. So let's go through the testing process. Even if these two are the same magnetic charging stand, MagFlex MS10, these two comes into different type of boxes because there are many options to purchase this MagFlex MS10. Inside this flat box, there is no carrying pouch, but inside the other one, there is a nice little carrying pouch. This carrying pouch is also a very good quality one. I really like the idea of providing a carrying pouch with this because this is a portable and foldable Qi wireless charger. So I am actually taking this one along with me anywhere I go, and whenever I carry it, I can carry all the accessories and everything with me inside this pouch. But if you don't want a pouch, definitely you can go for this other packaging. Well, inside both of the boxes there is a user manual. It's the same thing because these are the same products in different colors. Here comes our Hinyx MagFlex MS10. Yeah, in hand it feels premium. Build quality of this product is really very sturdy. Oh my gosh, I really like this. And as this brand Hinyx have used metal frame to manufacture this product along with top quality polycarbonate, this Hinyx MagFlex MS10 is definitely a very sturdy product. Well, inside this box I have got a user manual, the product itself, and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Point to be noted, if you buy this simple packaging, you are gonna miss the 20-watt charger. Yeah, inside the other box there is a user manual, the product itself, color matched USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and a color matched power brick is included. So it's more convenient, and I feel this one with the carrying pouch offers better value for money. The provided cables are totally identical. These are very good quality USB-C to C charging cable, and I really like the idea that this brand Hinyx have provided a magic tape along with the cables so that when I'm not using these cables, I can tie it with those magic tapes. Here is the power brick that came in a bundle. Yeah, this one is a USB-C based charger and build quality is definitely beyond my expectations. Well, here are the products, Hinyx MagFlex MS10. Look at this. It's really very flexible and soft. It's easy to move around and rotate, and on top of that, in hand it really feels that comfortable feelings. We can rotate the stand from the base up to 90 degree, and the top wireless charging area can be rotated up to 160 degree, which I think is even better than what we require in our daily life. Okay, let's start with iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's working perfectly fine, and look at this. The magnets are really very strong. Look at this wattage. I have never thought that this one could provide this type of performance. I am super satisfied. Now let us put this Apple AirPods Pro 2022 edition. Let's see what happens. It's clear that this Hinyx MagFlex MS10 can deliver what they have promised, And actually, as my Apple AirPods Pro 2022 edition is almost totally full, so it may not get charged at a full speed, but yeah, even if my AirPods Pro is almost full, it's getting charged at a very high speed. As I've mentioned earlier, I have been using these two with two of my different smartphones. Let's check what happens with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Okay, as you can see that I have already tried this Hinyx MagFlex MS10 with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and Apple AirPods Pro 2022 edition. It has already provided more than 14.6 wattage, and I think that's really good enough as my Apple AirPods Pro 2022 edition is almost full. And again, I have tried with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 along with Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2. Both of these devices are getting charged at a very fast charging speed. This Hinyx MagFlex MS10 is actually usable with any type of smartphones and gadgets which supports Qi wireless charging. Okay, now the thing is that how it performs with a protective case on. I have a MagSafe protective case, and now I'm gonna put this iPhone 14 Pro Max on this Hinyx MagFlex MS10. Let's see how good is the charging speed, whether there is any difference or not. One more time, you can see there is no change in performance. Yeah, that means we can use MagSafe protective cases along with our iPhones to use this Hinyx MagFlex MS10. Not only iPhones, we can also use any other Android smartphones with protective case on with this Hinyx MagFlex MS10 foldable and portable MagSafe Qi wireless charger. Also, as we can put our smartphones in any orientation, I mean in landscape and in portrait mode without any issues, I think this is really a great wireless charger for media consumption. Well, here you can see we can even charge two Android devices at the same time, and it's the same for Apple smartphones. I mean, we can recharge two different iPhones at the same time. It depends on us. It depends on you. Whatever you wanna charge, whatever we wanna charge on this Qi wireless charger, we can charge it. Because this is a MagSafe Qi wireless charger. Any gadget, any device which supports Qi wireless charging, this Hinyx MagFlex MS10 will be able to provide charge to those devices or gadgets. Now let me show you something. At the beginning, I have told you that I like this one because it's portable and foldable. I have already shown that we can rotate these charging spots, and it's really pretty much portable. Look at this inside my pocket. Wow, I don't feel anything. It's even smaller than my smartphone. It's really very easy to carry around, and well, I don't have to carry a lot of cables because only one cable will provide me two different charging spots. So that's really amazing, and it's very lightweight. Okay, this should be the end of this video. This MagFlex MS10 from Hinyx is one of the best portable, not one of the best, I think I should say the best foldable and portable wireless charger. But there are two other things that I want to share with you. The first thing is the body and this stand is actually made from zinc alloy, which is not only durable but also safe. This is definitely more durable than aluminium, and yeah, this MagFlex MS10 is very sturdy. And there is another thing which is the most important part for me, the charging output. There is no lag. I have tested this Hinyx MagFlex MS10 with a few different voltage meter, wattage meter, and this Hinyx MagFlex MS10 always provides a very stable power, very stable output. Hinyx have actually embedded a lot of safety measurements inside this, like overcurrent protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, over temperature protection, and yeah, these are actually very useful. Because I use a few different very expensive smartphones like iPhone 14 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I wouldn't like to see my devices get damaged. So yeah, I have tested this Hinyx MagFlex MS10 with a lot of different professional equipments, and it has always provided a straight line. I'm really super surprised with the performance of this Hinyx MagFlex MS10. I have been using this one for almost 8 days now, and yeah, I think I'm gonna use these two for a long time before I find anything better than this, which I really doubt about, because these not only performs better than the other competitors, these Hinyx MagSafe Qi wireless chargers are pretty unique in outlook and appearance and offers way more convenience than any other Qi wireless chargers. Oh yeah, these are MagSafe Qi wireless chargers. Okay, that's all about this Hinyx MagSafe MS10. If you're interested in this product, I have left a link in the description box below. And if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Also, please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.
Find our way back, and in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay.